Today, I'm diving deep into BBAI stock to see if I can predict whether it's about to explode or not. BBAI stock has been on my radar lately, and I think it's worth exploring, especially if you're into tech or just looking for a potential investment opportunity. The stock market can be unpredictable, but certain factors can give us clues about a stock's future performance. So, let's dive into BBAI and see what's cooking. BBAI stock has had its fair share of ups and downs, largely due to market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the tech sector, and BBAI hasn't been immune to that. Competition is also heating up, with several new players entering the scene. This kind of environment can make it tough for any stock to gain traction. Investor sentiment can shift quickly, and right now, it seems like there's a bit of caution in the air. The financial reports from BBAI have been mixed, with some beats and some misses. Their latest earnings call showed a bit of a slowdown in growth, which might have contributed to the recent dip in stock price. On the other hand, their revenue is still growing, and they're investing heavily in R&D, which could pay off in the long run. It's a bit of a double-edged sword. On one hand, you want to see growth, but on the other, you don't want to see them overextend. Industry trends are also worth considering. The tech sector is evolving rapidly, with AI and machine learning becoming more central. BBAI is positioning itself in this space, but it's not the only one. How they differentiate themselves will be key to their success. Let's see if they can carve out a niche for themselves. There's been some interesting news recently that could impact BBAI stock performance. They announced a new partnership with a major tech firm, which could open up new revenue streams. However, some analysts are questioning whether this partnership will really move the needle. Data analysis shows that BBAI stock has historically been sensitive to these kinds of announcements, so we'll be keeping a close eye on that. From a technical analysis standpoint, BBAI stock chart is looking interesting. We've got a potential breakout forming, which could indicate a significant price move on the horizon. Of course, this is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's definitely something to watch. So, what's the verdict? Well, based on the data and trends, I think BBAI stock has some potential for growth. It's not without risks, but if everything falls into place, we could see a significant explosion in the stock price. Some experts agree, citing the company's strong fundamentals and growth prospects. To recap, we've covered the challenges facing BBAI stock, including market volatility and competition. We've also explored the factors that could drive its performance, such as recent news and financial reports. The critical insight here is that BBAI stock has the potential for a significant rise, driven by its positioning in the tech sector and recent partnerships. What do you think about BBAI stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock analysis and insights, be sure to check out my other videos.